All right, section 6.6, discounts and markups. Now, I know you know what a discount is, but a discount is the decrease in original price of an item. A markup is to make a profit. Stores charge more than what they pay. The increase from what the store pays to the selling price is called the markup. So for example, when Best Buy buys a Sony TV, Sony will make the item, charge a markup on it, sell it to Best Buy. Best Buy puts another markup on it and then sells it to you as the consumer. Example number 1. The original price of the shorts is $35. What is the sale price? Now there are two ways to do this. Actually, there are many ways to do this, but we're going to first use the equation, which is A equals P times W. That's the percent of equation. Part equals percent times whole. So we want to find the discount. Well, the discount is how much out of the whole, so that's the part. So percent is 25%. Whole would be what? It'd be 35. So basically all you're doing is taking 25% of 35. That equals 8.75. Now what is that? That is the actual discount. So we know that if we subtract then 35 bucks minus 8.75, we would get a sale price of what? We get the sale price of $26.25. Now you could have done this a couple of other ways. You could have written a proportion. 25% of 35, which is your whole, is what? And then you've solved it cross-multiplied. You have gotten A equals 875, and you've gotten the same answer. However, these are all, I think it's too much work, all of this stuff. I personally would just do one thing. If you're saving 25%, what percent of the whole are you buying? Or what percent are you paying? If you find the percent, or the original price would be like 100%. Well, the sale price, what you pay, is going to be 75%. Because if you're actually discounting the item 25%, you're paying 75% of the item. So you would just take 75% or 0.75 of the whole, which is 35, and therefore you would pay $26.25, which is what we've already found. Now, if you checked your work, if you wanted to use a tape diagram, the tape diagram would look like this. If 35 is the whole, that's 100%. 25% is what's been taken off, which is this amount right here, which leaves you with 75% of what you're paying. So does this work? Absolutely it works. If you take a fourth of 35, that's $8.75, and so 3/4 is $26.25. Example 2, find the original price of the shoes. It says right here, shoes are 40% off and they're now 33 bucks. How much were they? What would you do? Do you take 40% of 33? No. So this is where we use our equation again. A equals P times W. We know what? We know the part is $33. $33 of what? So $33 of what amount is what you're trying to find, the original price. Here's the problem. This is where students always go wrong. And while as easy as this is, students put 40% here for the percent. 40% is not the part. If it's 40% off and it's now $33, we don't know what 40% off was because we don't know the original amount. But if it's 40% off, what is the price that you're paying to get the $33? If you're paying $33, the percent you're paying is 60%. So 60% is what you plug in. So this would just be 33 equals 0.6W. Divide both sides by 0.6, which gives you the whole. 33 divided by 0.6, 55. So what did you pay? the original price is $53. If you wanted to check that on a tape diagram, it says right here, 55 is the 100%. So we'd start with $33, 60%. So you could take 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Realize what's a third? If this is a third here, 1, 2, 3. A third of 33 is 11. So 11, 44, 33, 44, 55. So 100%, the original amount is $55. Our next example involves a bicycle. So bicycle, it says a store pays $70 for the bicycle. The percent of markup is 20%. What is the selling price? So once again, there are two ways to do this. What you guys, I'm sure, have done in the past is just taking 20% of 70 and added it on. A equals P times W. The part we don't know. The part is 20% of the whole, which is $70, which means A equals 14. So that means the markup is what? The markup is $14. So you would take the $14 and add it on to what the store paid for it, and they would sell it to you for $84. Now, the easier way, once again, if $70 is what they paid, that's like 100%. 100% plus a markup of 20% gives you what? It gives you 120%. So you are paying for the item 120%. So the percent would be 1.2 of what the item costs, which is the whole, and at 1.2 times 70 would give you 84, which would be $84 for the price of the item.